Look, I'm something up. Hey, yo, look, I'm a thing about man. Yo, go on there. Talk to you what? Talk to you so what? Come here, listen. Me not sugarcoat nothing. What you tell me about what me for do? What you tell me say? Me not sugarcoat nothing. Make the people them still a blood clot go on. Cause General B no come more.
Now, when I watch the video, I wanna see General B get pushed off at the stage. And more want to talk about this guy. I see some vlogger. Them a run with it. And them not even understand what go on. Now, you see, General B and Harry Toddler, them start boomboxing up. You understand? And them start the thing from rolling. Now, you see how the man deal with General B. Them could have deal with General B in a different way, because the whole of them are brethren. Harry Toddler and the whole of them. And Harry Toddler not do nothing. He make the youth push off General B off of the stage. Now me I telling you something about them youth there. And that me really want to talk about. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again. Great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now, we are talking about General B, Harry Toddler, and Boombox. And really and truly, you see, me are telling you straight up. You see the man them we set up Boombox, a pure gunman them, and you see General B. What me ever tell General B for do is fi allow them company there, allow them man there, make them go on the Boombox, and you can branch off and do your own thing. Cause you see the whole of them man there, a gunman and bad man and thief them. And you see Harry Toddler, him there and him not defend you. Now enough people me know used to do certain things. And you see when them get it, Harry Toddler buy the whole of the thing them from the people them. Harry Toddler them have violence, them boy their program, and bad living and fuckery. So yo, General B, countryman I talk to you. Low Boombox, low them youth there. You understand? The man them a hater. You don't know them a program a gunman and certain things them a deal with. And when me I say, you see how Jamaica run here, want to try to bring up your music career, yeah. And you start the Boombox thing. But sometimes you have to cut and go. You understand? And me now will talk about this situation like it's tabloid news. When me I do, make him know say yo, the company where him a keep appear gunman them, and him shoulda know that. And you see a man, you see you to come and push you off of the stage. That you the name Mickey, a straight murderer, a Mickey name, and a boy they a straight murderer and straight killer and thief. You understand? Yo, them set a man there, no mean yo, no good. No, like me say, even though boombox now have no violence, appear gunman there so. So anybody will follow that thing there, them have to be careful, cause sooner or later things are gonna jump off in a boombox. And like me I tell General B, be careful of the friends that you keep. And that's what I am telling you. Because the youth there, Mickey, me know him personally. He might not remember countryman, but me know them. You understand? And me know what them do. And me know what them involved in. Them involved in enough things. You understand? So, General B, this is my warning to you. Cut your losses and call it a day before them boy they kill you. And that is what I have to say about this. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video. And like me I said, if me and my brethren them decide to keep something and we have a thing going on, I think if we have a disagreement, we should be able to deal with it in a different way. Yeah, General B come out and say certain things, but like me I say, no man enough to put them hand on a man and push the youth off of the stage. And you hear my talk, say boy, you want to expose everything. And, you know, if we are one. Now, me have to play that clip there and make you see it before me let go.
Yo, look, I'm something up. Hey, yo, look, I'm a thing about man. Yo, go on there. Talk to you what? Talk to you so what? Come here, listen. Me not sugarcoat nothing. What you tell me about what me for do? What you tell me say? Me not sugarcoat nothing. Let the people them to a blood clot go on. Cause General B no come boy from how long mash up man bumbo clot thing. Look how long him no come boy.
Last but not least, like me I say, General B, leave that crew there, leave them man there, appear gunman them, and me don't know you know that it still no mean you no good. You see, my youth are a toddler, him no help you, and like me say appear gunman are a toddler, spar with, and the youth will push you off a stage. Me know him personally, you understand? He's a boy named Mickey, you understand? And them boy they are straight gunman, and do pay fuckery. With that said, that's all I got to say about this. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.